Hey guys, Ash here from C4E Tech, and today we've got the Redmi Note 11T with us. So in this video, let's go ahead, unbox it and take a look at what is it that Redmi has to offer with a phone that's slightly different from the Redmi Note 11 that they launched in China. So this is the typical Redmi style box with certain claims to the back that we're not going to get into. This phone has the MediaTek Dimensity 810. There's additional memory, again, marketing stuff. 50 megapixel primary, 90 hertz. So the display is supposed to be an upgrade over the last gen. The last gen we got 60 hertz AMOLED. This time it's 90 hertz, but what we're getting is IPS LCD. So anyways, guys, let's go ahead, open this up. So powered by Redmi. So this insert, it's got the SIM ejector pin, quick start guide, and your typical TPU case. So nothing special, what we've seen a million times from Redmi in the past. So here we get to the phone. This is the Redmi Note 11T. So you've got the SAR value and stuff listed over here. So to give you guys a better look at the display, let's set it aside for the moment and see what else is in the box. USB Type A to Type C cable, 33-watt fast charger. So guys, now for a quick tour around the phone, we've got the power key and volume buttons to the right. This power key also doubles as a fingerprint scanner. So yeah, let me quickly add my fingerprint. The fingerprint scanner is very quick. You can almost not see the lock screen when you're just turning on the phone by pressing this button, as in turning on the display by pressing this button. Now, coming back to the top, we've got the IR blaster, secondary mic, a speaker. To the left, we've got the tray. This one, let me quickly get the SIM tool. So this is a hybrid setup, so you can use either two SIMs or a SIM and a micro SD card. Now to the bottom, we've got a headphone jack, primary microphone, USB Type-C port, and another speaker. Now to the front, this is a 6.6-inch panel, Full HD Plus. It is 90 hertz. So let's quickly see if it's set to 90 hertz out of the box. Refresh is set to 60. So switching that to 90 hertz, so this is 90 hertz. But it's an IPS LCD panel instead of AMOLED like the last gen. So it does appear to be smooth, at least, very initial impressions. There's not a lot of preloads. But again, I'm activating it via the UAE region. I don't know what's there for India. I probably should have done that. Hindsight's 2020 and all that. Now we've got MIUI 12.5 on this. Now this is a 128 gig storage variant. Now the base variant in India, it comes with, this is the 8128, this is the top SKU. In India, we also get a 6128 and a 664. Now, one funny thing is, now basically this is a Redmi Note 11, the one they launched in China. That one launched at what converts to about 14,100 rupees. The base in China is 4128. In India, the base is 664. So you do get 2 gigs extra RAM, but you are losing half the storage. So it is only 64 gigs. And I really don't like how they are marketing this. Now, if you look at the Amazon page, this is what it says. You've got that small little asterisk which says including bank offers. So this phone is actually priced doesn't actually start at 15, but starts at 17,000 rupees. And given Redmi's lowest variants tend to go missing a lot, the pricing does seem to be a little bit on the higher side. I wish they were at least transparent about it, given that the 128 gig variant for 128 in China is only priced at 14,000. Any which ways, that's neither here nor there. Coming back, the storage here, it is UFS 2.2. They claim it's twice as fast as UFS 2.1. We've seen that it is faster, and it generally, the phone does feel more responsive. The chip inside is the Dimensity 810. Now comparing this to the Snapdragon 678 from the last time, it is a substantial improvement. The Dimensity 810 is a pretty solid chip, and it should be capable of pushing 90 Hz more often than not, even with some games. So what else do we have? It's all the typical Redmi stuff that we've gotten used to. MIUI, there's not a lot new here. Now with the optics, the primary is the 50 megapixel f1.9. Then there's the ultra wide, and that is it. It might look like it's got way too many sensors to the back, but I am happy that they've not wasted time going with a depth or a macro sensor just to add to the numbers. So two good cameras, or rather two cameras that can actually be useful. So let's quickly take a couple of pictures. And also selfies. Let's turn that beauty mode off. Okay, HDR on auto. So the selfies seem fine. The skin tone seems to be on point. There's no unnatural smoothing or anything, which is a problem with Realme. I have a video coming on that. Not on Realme, but a video where I talk about it. So selfies by default, here's the unnatural smoothing. But it's okay, there's enough detail, it looks fine. Now this is the ultra wide, and this is the regular. The hue is coming from the light, it's not just a camera thing. Seems sharp enough. And this is that Amazon page that's open on my desk. So guys, what you're seeing right now are a few more samples that I shot around the office. So let me know what you think about the cameras here. So the back here is plastic, and so are the sides. So that's another thing to keep in mind. Now, apart from that, what else? What else do we have here? And I almost forgot, there is also IP53 splash resistance for this. So that is something worth mentioning. And these are the different color variants that they have on offer in India. The phone is 8.8 millimeters thick. It weighs in a hair lesser than 200 grams. The battery is 5000 milliamp hour. And there's a 33-watt charger that's included in the box. So the charging speed you're supposed to get from 0 to 60 in about half an hour. So that's fine for a phone in this segment. So yeah, guys, this is pretty much what we get with the Redmi Note 11T. What do you guys think about this? What do you think about the marketing? What do you think about the pricing? Now, personally, if you ask me, a Dimensity 810 at this price seems to be a decent enough offering. And the samples that you've seen, I think they are fair enough for what Redmi offers at this price. But again, I'm gonna have to spend more time with this phone before I have something more solid for you. So we will talk about that and a lot more in the full review. If you have any questions that you'd want for me to answer, leave them in the comments below. I will try to address them in the full review. And I guess that is pretty much it for this quick little unboxing and hands-on. Thumbs up, thumbs down based on whatever you felt about the video. Subscribe, turn on notifications, hit that bell icon if you haven't yet. And thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4E Tech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.